MLBroadcast.com. Global exposure. Local results. Take time to seek out this fantastic home on a secluded street in Western Lakewood. Loads of updates to this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, including electric, kitchen, windows, carpet, and refurbished front porch. Choose to relax in the great sunroom or the breezy screened front porch, or the fully fenced backyard patio. A finished rec room in the basement adds to the already generous living space. Close to the Metroparks Rocky River Reservation, as well as great Lakewood amenities such as the new YMCA and public library, this home is a gem waiting to be discovered. Call Brian today to discover for yourself.